Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful spring break. So here we go, back into our music lessons, and we are on lesson number 7. Get your paper, get your pencil, and we're going to get started today with rhythm. Before, we had talked about scales, the C major scale, and we talked about taking the notes from the scale, mixing that up into different patterns, becoming a composer, and creating melody. Melody is an important part of music making, but another important part is rhythm. Rhythm is how long or short you hold notes, and putting those long and short and in between notes together into patterns so that you get rhythm to make your music sound interesting. So the word rhythm, actually, I always point this out to my students, is a really hard word to spell, actually, because it doesn't spell the way it sounds. So just make sure you take a look, practice writing that, because usually you don't really think about the H and the Y being in the word, and a lot of times my students want to put an E in here, and there is no E. And if you ever hadn't up with this on any kind of spelling test, might as well learn in music class the right way to spell rhythm. So we're going to start off today with a quarter note. A quarter note is a circle, because we know the circles in music are called notes, and that circle gets colored in, and it gets what we call a stem. Quarter notes can look like this, or they can go upside down. It doesn't matter. Either way, it's a quarter note. And again, here is our word quarter, just like if you were talking about money, spelled the same way. And here is our word note. Usually a quarter note is going to get one count, or like 1 second. So if I were to sing this quarter note, I would only sing it for 1 second. La, done, that's it. It doesn't get held for very long. If I were to play a quarter note on the piano, I would just play it for 1 second. That's it, done. Wow, that's not very much music making today. So let's go ahead and let's put 4 quarter notes up here. And all of you at some time have done this with me in music class, unless you came late in the year. So we have 4 quarter notes. Each receives 1 count, or 1 second worth of time. La, 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 la. Sing that with me on La Go. La, 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 la. Very good job. And again, if I were to play it on the piano, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, even though each one of these quarter notes just gets 1 count, 1 second, we want to know what beat each of these notes is falling on. So usually we'll count it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So even though we're going to say 2 here, it still only gets 1 count, 1 second. It's just falling on the second beat. Even though this only gets 1 count, 1 second, it's just falling on the third beat. So if we were to count this out loud, we'd say 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me out loud, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then usually when we're in class, we add a clap to represent music being made. So we would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap and count with me, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. If I were going to pull out the recorder, it would sound the same way. 4 quarter notes on the recorder. All right, guys, that's all we're actually going to do today. So go ahead, if you haven't done so yet, write down your 4 quarter notes, practice clapping it, practice doing it out loud. If you have any other type of instrument in your house and you want to practice playing quarter notes, do that. And then when we come back tomorrow, we're going to learn about the half note. Have a great day. Bye.